What if I told you you could change your life in just 7 days? Not next year, not next month, this week. This isn't a gimmick, it's a formula. 1 week, 7 steps. Follow this for just 1 week, and your transformation will blow your mind. You in? Day 1 is reset. Declutter your environment. Day 1 is simple, clear your space. Your environment equals your mind. If your room looks like chaos, chances are your life feels like it too. Throw out trash! Organize your desk. Make your bed. It's not about being neat. It's about taking control. A clean space gives you the mental room to think, plan, and win. Power move. Delete 3 toxic apps from your phone. You know the ones. Day 2 is energy. Fix your sleep and water first. Let's be real. You don't need another energy drink. You need sleep and hydration, period. Tonight, get 7 to 8 hours of sleep. No screens 1 hour before bed. Start the day tomorrow with a full glass of water. Not coffee, just water. Why? Because hydration is your fuel. If you're tired, unfocused, and dehydrated, you're driving with a flat tire. Power move, set a digital sunset. No phone after 9 p.m. Day 3 is focus. Write down your top 3 goals. Most people don't change because they don't know what they want. So today, grab a notebook and write down 3 goals. Just 3. Not 20, not vague ideas. Just 3 clear targets you want to hit in the next 3 months. Want to lose 10 pounds? Write it. Start a side hustle? Write it. Fix your sleep? Write it. Because a goal you can't see is a goal you'll never reach. Power move. Write your goals and stick them on your bathroom mirror. Day 4 is action. 1 hour of deep work. Time to stop planning and start doing. Today's challenge. Do 1 hour of deep, focused work. No distractions. No multitasking. No phone. Just you, your goal, and the grind. It could be writing that business plan, going to the gym, learning a new skill. The key is to build momentum. 1 hour of real effort beats 10 hours of busy work. Power move. Use the Pomodoro technique. 25 minutes work, 5 minutes break. Day 5 is mindset. Cut the negative voice. We all have that voice in our head that says, "You're not good enough. You always quit. You'll never make it." Today we shut it down. When the voice pops up, replace it with, "I'm improving every day. I've made it this far. I'm not stopping now. This is my week." Mindset isn't about fake positivity. It's about rewiring your inner dialogue to support, not sabotage you. Power move. Say your new affirmations out loud every morning. Day 6 is movement. Move your body, move your life. Energy doesn't come from caffeine, it comes from motion. Today, get active for just 30 minutes. You don't have to hit the gym or run a marathon. Just move, walk, stretch, dance, lift. Doesn't matter. Movement isn't about muscles, it's about momentum. You feel better, think clearer, and gain confidence every time you show up for yourself. Power move. Do 10 push-ups every time you check your phone today. Day 7 is vision and designing the next 30 days. You made it to day 7. You've decluttered, focused, moved, and acted. Now it's time to scale it. Today, grab a calendar and plan your next 30 days. Block out time for your top 3 goals. Your workout, your sleep, your deep work. Don't live by default, live by design. Power move. Set 1 weekly non-negotiable. Gym, reading, journaling, it's your call. You just changed your life in 7 days. Not with magic, not with luck, but with small daily decisions. The kind most people never make. You're not done. This is just the beginning. If you want more content like this, hit subscribe. Drop a "let's go" in the comments if you're ready to keep leveling up. And share this with a friend who needs it. Remember, 1 week can change everything if you do something with it.